Nothing is free. Chapter 1. The New Bike. Once upon a time, in a small town, there lived a young boy named Alex. Alex loved to ride bikes. Every day, he watched his friends zoom around on their shiny bicycles, dreaming of the day he could join them. However, Alex's family wasn't very rich, and buying a new bike was something they couldn't afford. One sunny morning, as Alex was walking to school, he noticed a beautiful red bike in the window of Mr. Johnson's shop. It was the most amazing bike he had ever seen. It had a shiny frame, thick tires, and a comfortable seat. Alex's eyes sparkled with excitement. "Oh, how I wish I could have that bike," he sighed. Mr. Johnson, the shop owner, saw Alex staring at the bike. He walked out and smiled at the young boy. "Do you like this bike, Alex?" he asked. "Yes, Mr. Johnson. It's the most beautiful bike I've ever seen," Alex replied. Mr. Johnson looked thoughtful. "Well, Alex, if you really want this bike, you can have it," he said. Alex's heart skipped a beat. "Really? But I don't have any money," he said, his excitement turning into disappointment. Mr. Johnson chuckled. "I don't want your money, Alex. I need help in my shop. If you agree to work for me after school and on weekends, the bike can be yours." Alex's face lit up with joy. "Of course, Mr. Johnson. I will work very hard." And so, Alex began working at Mr. Johnson's shop. He swept the floors, cleaned the windows, and helped customers. Every day after school, he hurried to the shop, eager to work and earn his new bike. Chapter 2. Hard Work. At first, the work was easy. Alex enjoyed sweeping the floors and organizing the shelves. But as the days turned into weeks, the tasks became more challenging. He had to carry heavy boxes, fix broken items, and sometimes even clean up messy spills. One day, as Alex was cleaning the windows, his friend Sam stopped by. "Hey, Alex, do you want to come play soccer with us?" Sam asked. Alex looked at the dirty windows and then at his friend. "I wish I could, Sam, but I have to finish my work here," he said. Sam shrugged. "All right, maybe next time," he said as he ran off to join the others. Alex felt a pang of sadness. He missed playing with his friends, but he reminded himself of the bike waiting for him. He wiped the sweat from his forehead and continued cleaning the windows. Mr. Johnson watched Alex from behind the counter. He admired the boy's determination and hard work. "You're doing a great job, Alex," he said. "Keep it up, and the bike will be yours in no time." Chapter 3. The Lesson. As weeks passed, Alex learned a lot about responsibility and hard work. He realized that nothing in life comes for free. Every time he felt tired or frustrated, He reminded himself of the red bike and pushed on. One evening, after a long day at the shop, Alex sat down with his parents. "I'm really tired, but I'm learning so much," he told them. His father smiled proudly. "That's great, Alex. You're learning an important lesson. In life, we have to work hard for the things we want. Nothing is free." Alex nodded. He understood now. The bike was more than just a reward. It was a symbol of his hard work and dedication. Finally, the day came when Alex had worked enough hours to earn the bike. Mr. Johnson handed him the keys with a proud smile. "You did it, Alex. You earned this bike." Alex's heart swelled with pride as he rode the bike for the first time. It was everything he had dreamed of and more. As he pedaled down the street, he waved to his friends and felt a sense of accomplishment. He knew now that nothing is free, and that made the bike even more special. The end.